Hey candle lovers, welcome back to Candleboys. If you're new here, we're all about sensory storytelling, seasonal rituals and the magic of fragrance. Today marks episode 2 in our candle review series, and we're diving into a festive favourite from PartyLite. This is Autumn Sangria, a beautifully captured 3-wick jar candle that captures the spirit of fall in every detail. From the decorative sleeve to the matching colourful wax. The fragrance blends cinnamon, citrus and sparkling wine. It's bright, spicy and a little indulgent. It settles into early autumn leaves, amber and sandalwood. It's cosy, grounding and rich. It's like a walk in the park on an autumn's day with a cheeky mulled wine in hand. Has anyone ever done that? Beautiful. I'm not lighting this one today. As you can see, I have one lit already behind us, so I don't want to be overpowering the fragrance that I've already got on. This one behind us is one of PartyLite's all-time top-selling fragrance, Iced Snow Breeze. The lovely clear wax, we have taken off the sleeve. So this is the sleeve on the jar. We've taken off the sleeve and got our website branding on it. As PartyLite Legacy brand ambassadors, we'll be reviewing more of their seasonal and classic fragrances. But we want to hear from you. Have you got a candle you'd love us to try? Drop it in the comments below. Autumn Sangria. It's not just a fragrance, it's a mood, a ritual. A toast to the season. You'll find a link for this candle and our website in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and join us next time. Remember and stay lit.